Brklyn, welcome back. This is class. I've always said the Hermès Apple Watch is the most luxury watch a smartwatch can get, and this year, the Series 8 Hermès watch is no exception. On Apple's website, the main tagline is "Style and Innovation, a perfect duo." And I have to say, I 100% agree with that. While I still find it hard to say that any smartwatch is, I guess, high fashion, this Hermès version really does have a different feel and style to it. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's unbox this thing and take a look. This year, I was able to get my hands on one of the most interesting versions of Hermès Apple Watch that I've seen in a long time. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick first look at the new watch, and then I'll do a follow-up video, more in-depth video in a few days. So comment below what you'd like to see and any questions that you have. And of course, subscribe to get notified when the video comes out. Okay, let's unbox this. Ooh. I love the little pull tabs. Here we go. Oh, I can already see the orange. I love the bright orange box. Look at this. This is so fun. And the box is like leather. So maybe not leather, but it like feels really cool. Like this feels premium. Oh my gosh, guys, we have to open this up. Look at this fun little pull tab. I like that. Okay, so what's it telling me to do? Pull up? Oh my gosh. So fun. Okay, now what? This makes it easy. I always get so shaky during the unboxing, so Apple made it super easy for me to, I mean, they have arrows everywhere, so I know exactly how to unbox it. Oh yeah. I always like to smell this. That smells different from last year's. I don't really know how it smells. I feel like last year's smelled a little more like leather. I don't really know what the leather is, or what the smell is. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get into this little band and open it up more. But let's open up the actual watch first. Set that to the side. Oh, duh, pull tab. Both sides. This seriously is so fun. I love doing that part. Here we go. Ooh, so shiny. Here it is. Can't wait to try this on. Okay, so Hermès Apple Watch unboxing is so cool. Comes with this premium orange box, and I love how it has the two separate boxes, but then it's all in one. We did talk about the Ultra watch and how it felt adventurous, and I would say this watch has more style, more fashion, more class. And then the leather, super nice. In this box that we opened up, we have the Gourmette metal double tour version, which is kind of like a cool bracelet and a leather strap all in one. I'm not sure. This is like cool, but I don't know how to open it. I think it just, that's awesome. And this is fun too. Guys, look at this. I can't wait to try this on. Oh my gosh, I think we have to do it right now. So we're gonna do that because this is seriously so cool. So this one, you kind of have to like double loop around like twice. So we'll see how it's gonna look. Oh, we get to do this. This one has a little cool pull tab. Oh yeah. Maybe we can put some cool dramatic music right here. Look at this, guys. Okay, I might need some assistance putting it on. So we'll wrap it around like that. I don't know if I'm fancy enough for this, but this looks awesome. Okay, stay there. I think I feel very uncoordinated right now. There we go. Okay. I feel like that's gonna scratch that up very easily. So we'll see how that works out. There we go. Okay, yeah, I put it in the wrong thing, so hopefully now I can get it. Okay, yeah, that was a lot easier. Put through these. Check this out. That's cool. That's really cool. This is awesome. Like, I might take back what I said. This might be high fashion. This is so fun. This one is the most expensive Apple Watch you can get. It's $1,559. The Hermès prices range from $1,229 to $1,759, depending on the size and the band you choose. One of the bonuses that you get with Hermès Apple Watch is that you get an exclusive orange band with every model, no matter what strap you choose, and this year is no exception to that. So let's find the band. I think, oh, that's where it is. Here it is. So I actually really do like this orange band, and orange is, well, kind of Hermès's thing. So it matches lots of the Apple Watch faces, so yeah, that's really fun that it has that. So like I said before, the double tour straps are kind of a combo between a bracelet and a strap. They wrap around twice on your wrist, and this isn't new for Hermès Apple Watch. They've had double tour bands for a while now, but this steel mesh look section here is new this year. And oh wow, this is super cool. I really don't know if I'm fancy enough for this watch. I just want to take a minute here and commend Apple for really achieving something new this year. While the regular Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Hermès are all similar and do similar things, these three have a very different feel to them when you put them on. This one definitely is a lot more fashionable. I really do feel adventurous picking up this Ultra watch. And then the Hermès Apple Watch is a completely different vibe. Clearly. The Hermès watch may be the most versatile of the three versions. It's as high class as a smartwatch can be, but then you swap it out and have this metal double tour strap, or you put on this orange sports band and you're instantly in workout mode. Even in workout mode though, you're still getting a little extra, a step in fashion. I've said before, I still feel the same. Maybe the best reason to buy an Hermès Apple Watch is for the exclusive watch faces. These faces are by far the best looking, most attractive watch faces that you can get on an Apple Watch. And you can only get them if your watch says Hermès on the back. They are not available for the standard Apple Watch or the Ultra. A few quick interesting details before we wrap up this first look video. Once again, this year, the only way to get the very black, space black case is to buy the Hermès version. The standard still Apple Watch versions come in stainless, gold, or graphite, still colors. So if you want space black, Hermès is your only option. And the space black looks so good too. This is a well-loved Series 0 Apple Watch, and man, this thing is tough. It still looks, oh my gosh, yeah, it still looks brand new even after being worn every day for years. The space black is a great choice, and it has DLC coating that is extremely scratch resistant. I mean, seriously, look at this old guy here, mint condition. I'm interested to see how the Gourmette strap does with this standard stainless steel case. They seem like they're gonna scratch each other up for sure. All Hermès Apple Watches come with cellular capability, and you can choose to sign up for a plan with a carrier if you want, but you don't have to. And one other bonus that all Hermès watches have is the sapphire glass over the screen that is a lot more scratch resistant than the standard glass on the aluminum Apple Watches. Okay, that's it for this first look. Please add some questions and comments below, and we'll get to work on a full detailed video, and I'll see all of you again very soon.